Hey, what's going on, everybody? Got an edger out. Anyway, I'm real excited. Got my battery charger from my Lectric XP 750. It left Anaheim, California, I guess 3 days ago, and it's into Georgia now. It'll probably go to Jacksonville overnight and then be here from Jacksonville tomorrow afternoon in St. Augustine. Got the garage all cleared out, ready for the unboxing, which I'm going to film the whole thing. I might even do a 3-part series. I don't know, 2-part. We'll see. We're going to do comparisons, match up, everything. I'm going to show all the new upgrades, complete review on everything. Not just riding the bike, but review on all the things that they've done to it, which you haven't seen yet. Some of you know what I'm talking about. But anyway, and I also have, I went fishing, I guess, 3 days ago, and we've had so much rain. I went down on the beach on the trike. The water's terrible, and we're having these northeasters that have been kicking our butt with extreme high tides, which they call king tides, which I don't know where that came from, but that's all right. I never heard of that until, I don't know, so many years ago. But anyway, that's where we're at right now, waiting on this new trike, and I'm really excited to see this thing, and hopefully I can get through the sand better. That's why I got this bike. A little bit more power, because I'm really struggling in that wet sand. You'll see parts, you'll see my speed go way down, because I'm bogging down, because the sand is so wet from the high tides, where I was there at low, and the water it was 2 hours before high tide, and the water already started turning around. I'll be here tomorrow waiting right here. I'm going to film them dropping the thing off out of the back of the truck. And I hate to say dropping the thing off, bringing my trike to me. If you've seen my first video where they delivered it on the original XP2, and my little champ right there, I don't know how many miles y'all have on yours, but I've got close to 1,600 miles on this bike. And you know, I just did the bearings on it. So, and I had a video of that before this. I'm probably the only one that's done a complete video on the bearings. But enjoy this beach stuff. Got a lot of people around me. They were really liking the trike, but the fishing was horrible. They weren't biting at all. Of course, it was low tide. I want to be there when the tide changes. It just scared me off. And hey, thanks for watching, okay? And for all the new viewers and all the people who have subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. It means a lot to me, and hopefully I can keep this channel going for a while, as long as I hold out. The bike's fine. It'll be me. And we'll see you on the next one, okay? We made it down here. Let's see what happens. Low tide is exactly what I'm looking for. We've had such high tides here. We just got done with a full moon, I guess 3 or 4 days ago. See you down there, Chief.
All right.
We'll see if we can get through here. Whoa. Sand's still wet. Yeah, let's see if I can get through here. Yeah, this is a little tough. Wow, wow, wow. All right. You got to keep your momentum going. Oh boy. All right, here we go. Getting a little spooky. Yeah, it's really sluggish. Yeah, go ahead and put it in 5. Yep, everybody's here. Yeah, they are. Yeah, they are. Gotta find us a spot. You mind if I pull in next to you over here?
Not at all.
Here we are. Boats are out here. Yeah, baby. The tide's starting to turn a little bit. Let me put a live fellow on this one. Hey, caught something. It's like a snapper. Our small drum, black drum.
It's up there where that guy is in the blue shirt. He caught 2 small black drum, he said.
They're in here. All right. We'll give it some time. Yeah, he put it in the cooler. Okay, you too. Oh, here comes the water. I'm gonna have to move up. Sure. Here we go. I got some bait out there for you. Here. You want it? It's still alive. Here you go, buddy. I'm done.
I know, it's terrible.
Yeah, I'm done.
I mean, like I said, last Thursday you could walk across the water.
Yeah, it's tide related.
I saw some birds diving down right in front of you. Did you just release some stuff?
Yeah, I threw some bait out.
That's why I grabbed this, thinking maybe there's some.
No, you'll see them. Once you see that boat turn around, that's when the bites should start happening a lot. And then you'll see more mullet show up.
Yeah.
Once you see that boat turn around, I can't risk it because of the high water. It'll keep me, it won't allow me to get back.
Oh, okay.
And it'll wet, see how I'll sink in this.
But you could, well, because of your weight on the
And that little trail, I'm worried about the sand. I'm gonna actually try it going back, just to see.
It's kind of soft. From what I remember.
I'm gonna try it. Whoa, now. Yeah, yeah, that's pretty much it for me.
Yeah,
It's not, they're not biting. Otherwise I had 2 live mullet on there.
Oh well, nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too. We'll be back. I'll see you down here.
You will.
It's just starting to get better. Here you go, buddy. I got you another live fella. All right now. No fighting. Let's see if I can get out of here. All right now.